It's Audrey's bad side.
I'm gonna talk like this
the whole time. Just gonna be like this. Hey.
Be like, what's up, girl?
Oh man, it really does smell. I'm not gonna say that.
I'm feeling very self-conscious when you say that. I mean, I was at a Red Sox game all day today.
No,
it legitimately
it's
could be all
It's really
my
the
clothing.
floor. No, it's not.
Okay, so we are gonna do.
Oh
my good God! Right in my face.
Just like this.
Was that mint?
No.
Green tea.
Oh, green tea. Sorry, I'm sorry.
That was legitimately in my face.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It feels better.
Oh my God!
It feels much better.
I'm glad for you.
It's like
I'm glad
a spring
for you.
day now. Okay.
Let me get rid. I'm still feeling droplets.
Oh.
Okay.
See, I feel so relaxed now.
Oh, I'm so glad.
All right, ready?
Okay.
3 new things I did this week. Audrey and Vera.
You want to go first?
Should I go first? Okay.
We can go back and forth. I'm trying to think.
Let's do it.
I might need time. I might not be able to bang them all out in a row.
All right. I'll start over.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's Audrey and Vera, and we like to try new things. We are new thing triers.
We're trendsetters.
Listen, I didn't want to say it.
If I hear a trend, I need to try it.
Immediately. And this week I went a little crazy.
Mm-hmm.
And I did some new things. So let's talk about them.
I did too. You go first. Let's go back and forth.
Oh, actually, I could start right here because I never.
Maybe that was the smell.
No, they're brand new. They smell like rubber. These are travel. Okay, so I don't wear flats.
Actually, I never do see you in flats.
People are looking at this and they're like, "What? You bought flats? Like, what's the big deal?" For me, it's a big deal. Like, for me to get on a plane. They're super
they're
awesome.
very lightweight.
For me to get on a plane, I would wear knee-high boots.
Those are cute.
That's what I wear when I travel. But
That's
I was
true.
like, you know what? I don't want to wear that when I travel. I want to wear something a little more casual, a little more comfortable, but still, like, I tried. Like, these shoes are like, you tried a little bit.
I do like
so
those.
I bought these shoes
Sorry.
for $25.
I love those. I saw it on Snap.
Target.
Yeah.
Is this ridiculous?
Love them.
I fell in love with them. So these are my new travel. These are my new.
Your first new thing.
I said I'm gonna try to wear more of this type of style, right?
I can't see these on camera right now.
I'm just saying, like this.
They
type
are
of style.
very cute.
And for me, I'm a heel, knee-high boot kind of girl.
Those are adorable.
When it's
like
cold,
those.
so this is a big deal for me. It's either UGG boots or knee-high boots, and now this is my new thing that I'm trying.
So that's the first thing you did this week.
That's the first thing I did.
Okay, so my first new thing I did this week, I'm trying to do, well, you know what? I am still in the process of training for this half marathon.
Okay, yep.
And I did 3.5 miles this week.
Shut up.
I did. You know what I did? I just said I'm going to just run this route.
Oh my God.
And I just ran it. I was super duper slow.
How slow? Tell me the truth.
Probably about a 10-minute mile.
That is not slow.
Well, when you talk to someone who like actually runs all the time,
that is not slow.
So,
oh my God.
And in my head, I had a route. I didn't know how long it was going to be, but I have Runkeeper on my phone. So I did I ran, and then when I knew I was done with my little route, I went back home and I saw it was 3.5.
So we don't have to run together.
I want to run with you though.
I know, but I'm really going to slow you down.
I want to run like this the whole time.
No, but I'm gonna have, if I have a 16-minute mile, that's gonna
You're not gonna have a 16-minute mile. I know you. You're gonna get it down.
I really don't know.
If you consistently train, you're gonna get it down.
I really am. I'm 1.25 miles right now, and I'm dead.
But you'll work it out.
And I'm dead. And I'm dead.
Are you dead?
Dead. Dead.
I have to squat.
Thank you. I did two videos like this.
My knees hurt.
I did two videos like this, and I was like, train with me.
Okay, so that was my first
10-minute mile.
But I'll be honest, I've only been able to run twice a week because our schedules with work have been so crazy.
I almost brought my sneakers today, but I didn't.
Yeah, see, this honestly, my knees are so bad.
Oh, did you get the email about the bar thing?
I did. I saw.
You got to do it.
Okay, I will do it.
I told her you're doing it.
I saw the email chain.
Okay. No pressure, but you're doing it.
Okay, so that was my first thing.
So
what's your second?
The second thing that I did this week that was new, and it was actually today, is I signed up for those meals.
Oh, you did do it?
Yes.
Okay, you told me you wanted to do this.
I was talking to Audrey about it. I have several friends in town.
Did you do Blue Apron?
I did HelloFresh and Blue Apron.
Okay.
So I did 2 meals. Actually, I think I did 2 meals on both of them. So I'm getting 4 meals a week.
Okay.
which might be too much. I
But
might tone it down a little bit. I have one coming on Monday and one coming on Wednesday, and it's it's
Perfect.
I'm going to try it because I told my husband.
You get to pick the meals?
Blue Apron, you get to pick the meals. HelloFresh, you don't get to pick the meals. So again,
I know on Blue Apron you could, but I wasn't sure about the other one.
Well, you can say on Blue Apron, you say, I don't eat shellfish, I don't eat lamb. So I did that. I unchecked things.
But what about the other one? Can you do that too?
You can't. No.
Interesting.
If you're an individual meal, you could pick it, but as a family meal, you can't.
Okay.
And they said they're working on it.
It's like a mystery box.
I know, which is not going to be good for my kids. But the point is, I'm bringing healthier options to the house. My husband is like, this is so much money, this is astronomical. But I'm like, I've always said the one thing I don't mind spending money on is
good food. It's good food, healthy food.
Let's bring the better options. Because I didn't tell you, I had another allergic reaction. Don't make fun of me. You can't make fun of me anymore.
No, I know. I saw it. My daughter had hives all over her body.
So I had a big reaction. I had a McDonald's double quarter whatever burger, double cheeseburger on Saturday, and I totally reacted to it. I was allergic to it.
From what?
Preservatives. I'm allergic to preservatives. And having that burger, I said, this is like God telling me don't eat this.
Yeah, you can't do that anymore. You can't.
So that was I just did it. So I had, and if you want to sign up, I can give you 2 free meals for free.
Okay. I
have the code, whatever.
Oh my God.
So that was the second thing that I did. I signed up because I don't eat enough vegetables.
Yeah, no, I know.
I really don't.
Great.
It's bad.
I've never heard of the HelloFresh.
HelloFresh and Blue Apron, and there's actually a third one that Amy Teach Mama did.
Okay. Oh,
I forgot the name of it. It's on her Facebook wall.
Awesome. I'm trying to think of another thing that I did.
Where'd you go today?
I went to the Red Sox game. That's true. That's right. I went to the opening of the Red Sox game. My dad's attended dinner. They've gone for 16 years. It's the first one I was invited to, although I wasn't even invited. They invited my husband, and my dad said to me last week, hey, just make sure your husband can still come. I need to know or I'm going to give his ticket away. And I went home and I was like, hey, I am going.
Yes.
I've never gone. So it was a new thing for me. A Red Sox opening day game, which is why I'm in a Red Sox hat and a Red Sox shirt, and I have no makeup on, and my hair is disgusting right now because I've been outside since 10:30 this morning.
That's okay. You had a great day.
And it's 9:45 at night.
A great family.
It was an amazing day. I loved it.
I love that.
I'm just moving my position again.
I just want to point out that that's what I was doing.
I'm in a track starter pose right now.
The last thing that I did this week new is I became a lacrosse mom.
Oh, that's right.
So weird. My daughter joined the lacrosse team in town, and I went to my first game, which to our rival, it was the worst team that you could ever play.
Yeah.
It was the first person that we played.
Okay.
And it was hard. They ended up tying. It was 9-9. But somebody in the stands was telling us that my team and their team have been playing for 100 years, each other. And there's an actual trophy that's just for the two of them at the end of the season. Whoever wins, it's a rivalry.
And is it the same town?
It's different towns.
Okay.
We had to go to another town.
That's fun.
Isn't that wild? So out of the whole Long Island,
that's who it was.
These two, whoever wins out of these two, there's a special trophy because it's a 100-year-old rivalry.
Oh, that's cool.
I thought that was funny.
You're being initiated into the lacrosse.
But meanwhile,
family.
you had to see the field. It was a football field.
It was gigantic. I think I saw your snap.
I was like, are they supposed to run this entire field? And they were like, yeah.
They're like, I'm sorry. I don't understand this. This is what they do in lacrosse. Do they run?
Very intense.
I'm moving my legs again. This is the 5th time.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of the last thing. Okay, so
I know it. Why am I answering all your questions?
I was going to say the sleepover thing.
Or the floor.
Oh, please. I feel like I should be knighted for that. So we have a brand new floor in our kitchen. Matt installed it by himself. Actually, it literally legitimately was new this week. He started last Sunday night, and he finished last night. So brand new floor. It was Pergo. We got it at Home Depot. I don't know if I had told you this. We had ordered it from Home Depot in December.
Yeah.
I told you they gave me the wrong order.
Yeah.
Got 25% off because of the mess up. Sent the wrong thing again, then it got canceled. Whatever it was, we ended up getting another 25% off. So the floor was under $300.
That is incredible.
Which is amazing. And if I show you the before and after photos, which I have tons, it's like a whole new kitchen.
Amazing.
And my husband put it in. There's no glue, no nothing. It literally floats on top of your floor and connects like a puzzle.
Oh, you didn't have to pull up your floor?
No.
What?
Well, I mean, if you have carpet, you have to.
That's
but because we have
amazing.
linoleum, which Matt made me say 5 times. Linoleum, I couldn't say it.
Do you have to raise up like that?
I have to. Like I said to him, like I can't say that word, linoleum. And so he made me say it over and over again. He was making fun of me. So we were able to lay it on top. You have to like intricately cut things because they're on doors.
Does he
you
have
have
like
to
a
have it
special
fit
saw?
Oh, what do you think? Matt bought everything for this floor.
So your $300 floor.
To save money,
ran you $4,000.
Right?
Yes. Ran you $4,000.
So that's our new thing this week.
Very good. That's awesome.
Oh my God, we've been talking for 11 minutes.
Oh, see, you didn't think we were going to be able to do it.
I didn't.
So that's 3 things we did new this week. Also, I also learned that there's a research done.
You can do Dr. Spock.
No, there's research done that people who say 3 this way and people who say 3 this way are there's differences in your personality.
Okay, I go like this.
I thought I was this person, but I am this person.
What does this person mean?
I don't know. I didn't read it. I don't care.
I was waiting for the insight.
I don't care.
Like, oh my God, I go like this.
I don't care. I like literally don't care. But I was like, wow, there's actual research. Somebody actually said there's research like, oh, there's 3, and then oh, there's 3. I usually do 3.
I do this.
So we're different in that sense. But I don't know. I was like, do I really have time to read this? Like, do I really care?
No.
But it's out there just in case you wanted to know. Just in case you wanted to know. That's your research for the day. This was just nothing. Tell us if you've done anything new this week. If you have 3 things or 1
every week
thing.
if we saw each other.
I know. I think that would be great. So we're on social, Audrey and Vera. Snap, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter.
Follow us.
Till next time.